In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an adjustment layer in Premiere Pro 2025, step by step, so you can apply the same effect to multiple clips at once without editing each clip individually. This is one of the easiest ways to speed up your workflow, especially if you want to color grade an entire sequence, add blur, sharpen footage, or stack creative effects across multiple clips. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Premiere Pro and make sure your project is already set up. You need to be working inside a sequence because the adjustment layer has to match your sequence settings. Once you're in the editing workspace, look over to the project panel. This is where all of your media, sequences, and assets are stored. At the bottom of the project panel, you'll see the new item icon. Click that icon and a small menu will appear with different item options. From that menu, select Adjustment Layer. Premiere Pro will ask if you want to create it using the current sequence settings, and in most cases, you should just click OK. Keeping the sequence settings is important because it ensures the adjustment layer fits properly with your timeline. Now that the adjustment layer has been created, you'll see it in your project panel. The next step is to add it to your timeline. Click and drag the adjustment layer down onto your sequence and place it on a track above your video clips. For example, if your footage is on V1, put the adjustment layer on V2. That way, it sits above the clips and affects everything underneath it. Once it's on the timeline, stretch the adjustment layer to cover the section of clips you want to affect. You can drag the edge of the layer to make it longer or shorter, depending on how much of your edit you want to apply the effect to. If you want the effect to cover several clips, just make sure the adjustment layer spans across all of them. Now comes the main part, applying effects to the adjustment layer. Click to select the adjustment layer, then go over to the Effects panel. From here, you can drag and drop any effect you want directly onto the adjustment layer. A few popular examples are lumetri color for color grading, blur for softening the image, and sharpen for adding extra detail and clarity. The great thing about using an adjustment layer is that every clip underneath it will receive the same effect automatically. So instead of adding the same effect to each clip one by one, you only need to apply it once to the adjustment layer. This saves time, keeps your timeline organized, and makes it much easier to make changes later. For example, if you want a cinematic look, you can place an adjustment layer over your entire sequence and apply lumetri color to it. If you only want blur in a certain section, just trim the adjustment layer to that part of the timeline. And if you want multiple looks in one video, you can stack more than one adjustment layer on different tracks and apply different effects to each one. That's one of the best workflow tricks in Premiere Pro because it gives you a lot of control without cluttering your timeline. You can also trim the layer length at any time, which lets you control exactly where your effects begin and end. So if you make changes later, you don't have to redo every single clip, just adjust the layer instead. So to quickly recap, create an adjustment layer from the project panel, add it to a track above your clips, stretch it across the section you want, and then apply your effects to the layer. Everything underneath will be affected automatically. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.